Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on our channel, and there's a very important update coming from TCS. This particular update is not for 2025 students because recently there is a new hiring have been announced from TCS as the TCS NQT for TCS partner colleges for 2025 batch. So this video is not about that. This video is for those students who have been already selected in TCS in 2024 batch. There is a very new update coming from TCS and very important update. What this update is? So this update is basically regarding the TCS Xplore program and its assessments. So let's see in detail, and is it mandatory or not, why it is important, what is the thing that is going to happen if we are not going. Also we are going to discuss everything in this video. Let's start. But before moving on, if you are new to the channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button, join our Telegram and WhatsApp from the description box link, and also make sure to click on the bell icon after subscribing because we post multiple hiring, onboarding and interview updates every day regularly. Make sure not to miss out. So first of all, this is the about the TCS Xplore program. If you already know what TCS Xplore program is, then it's good. If you are following our channel from past few months, we have already covered updates from TCS Xplore program and what it is going to be about. Everything we have discussed earlier. So that time it was not mentioned that Xplore program is mandatory or not, but it was still recommended to complete it because we have already recommended it many times that it is really good to use the Xplore program. It is really good to do the Xplore program. It will help you to increase your knowledge and everything. So if those students who have already watched those videos and followed our footsteps or followed the instructions, then they have already completed their Xplore program learnings. Okay. But if you are not done that, if you are new to the channel, I will give you link of that particular video. You can go and check that video and understand what should you do next. Okay. But what is the recent update that is coming regarding the Xplore program? So recently TCS have been sending one mail to multiple candidates for 2024 batch select that TCS Xplore program assessment is going to happen in November. What is the date? The date of this particular assessment is going to be 7th of November. That has been already mentioned or declared. Okay. Earlier for previous batches, every month there was one or two assessment scheduling from TCS for this particular Xplore assessment, or you can say it as IPA or Ion Proctored assessment. This time also this is going to be a proctored assessment. This is going to be happening from TCS centers. You have to report to the TCS center and give the assessment. But this time only one date is announced till now. There might be new dates in future, but it is not disclosed yet. So we are not going to say anything about that because that is not clear yet. But whatever date it is, one is coming, make sure to register for that and make sure to go and give the exam, because they have clearly mentioned in the mail that this is a mandatory assessment for you to clear completely or to complete the Xplore program. Okay, so if you want to complete the Xplore program, this is a mandatory assessment. Okay, you have to go and give the assessment, you have to clear the assessment. Okay, what is the exam pattern, what different type of questions you can expect, everything we are going to discuss in a separate video because that will be taking it very long. So there will be multiple questions, basically depends on whatever thing you choose, might be Java, might be Python, might be other thing like .NET or anything. There will be different pattern according to that. So I am going to discuss that in a separate video. And also one more important update that has been announced in that particular mail only, that if you are completing the Xplore program, that is going to be a prerequisite for completing your ILP. That is going to be the prerequisite for your ILP that is happening in TCS after just joining the training program that is named as ILP. So if you are completing the Xplore program and securing a good marks, also not just attending, you don't just have to attending the proctor assessment of Xplore. No, you have to secure good marks as well. So if you are securing good marks, that is going to be the prerequisite for your ILP that have been mentioned in the mail. So this is very important. So it does not matter whatever other things are there, you must go and apply for this. And for earlier batches, there was an incentive policy as well for this IPA exams. So what is the incentive policy? Everything we have discussed already in a separate video. I am going to give you the link in the description box. But for now, this year they have not mentioned about any incentives. So this is also not clear that you are going to get any incentive or not. But whatever there is incentive or not, this is going to be mentioned as this is mentioned already as a important and mandatory step. So you have to go and give the exam and prepare for this. So that's it. If you have any other queries regarding this, make sure to comment down.